In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable button that quietly appears when visitors scroll down and, with a single click, smoothly takes them back to the top. It's a small touch that makes long pages feel more polished and user-friendly. Start by opening your Funnels page editor for the exact page where you want the button to show up. This could be a sales page, a long-form opt-in, or any content-heavy layout. Once the editor loads, give the page a quick scan so you know where the main content starts and ends. This helps you gauge how far users might scroll and where the button will become most helpful. Next, add a custom JS HTML element. Click the Add Element button and choose Custom JS HTML from the list. Place this element anywhere on the page. Many people drop it near the bottom simply to keep things organized, but the actual placement inside the editor won't affect where the button appears on screen because the code will position it for you. If your editor allows naming elements, give it a clear label so you can find it later. Now paste your all-in-one snippet into that custom JS HTML element. This snippet typically includes 3 parts: a small piece of HTML that creates the button, a bit of CSS that styles it and anchors it visually, usually at the bottom right, and a short JavaScript function that listens for scroll events, fades the button in and out, and handles the smooth scroll back to the top. If your snippet exposes simple variables or styles, feel free to adjust the color, size, corner radius, or position so it matches your branding and doesn't overlap important page elements. Keep only one instance of the snippet on the page to avoid duplicates. Save your changes, then open the preview. Scroll down the page. You should see the button appear once you've moved past the top area. Click it, and you'll watch the page glide back to the top. If you don't see the button, confirm you pasted the snippet into a custom JS HTML element, not a text or headline element. Refresh the preview and make sure you didn't accidentally add multiple copies. On mobile, check that the button isn't covering crucial controls. If it is, adjust the bottom or right spacing in the snippet, and, if needed, raise the z-index so it sits above other elements without getting in the way. That's it. You opened your page editor, added a custom JS HTML element, pasted the snippet, then saved and previewed to confirm the smooth scroll behavior. Enjoy the cleaner, more navigable experience on your ClickFunnels page.